Hello everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through the steps for buying crypto using your Exodus wallet. First, open the Exodus app on your device. On the main screen, you'll see a large buy button. Go ahead and tap on that to start the purchase process. You'll be prompted to enter the account you want to spend in USD. For example, let's say you want to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. Just type in the amount and you'll see an estimate of the Bitcoin you'll receive. After selecting your amount, Exodus will redirect you to a new prompt to complete your purchase. Here, you'll have a couple of options to verify your identity and proceed. You can log in using either your Google account or Apple ID, depending on your preference. Once you've chosen your account, simply follow the on-screen prompts to finalize your purchase. And that's it. In a few simple steps, you've successfully bought crypto on Exodus.